Hello there, welcome back to my channel again. So this is another quick tutorial on how to do a transformation. So I'll be transforming this jeans I'm wearing right now into a skirt. Okay, so quick story about this jeans. It used to be a normal jeans, so I decided to rip it, and then after getting bored from wearing the ripped jeans, I dumped it. Now I get to transform it into a skirt. So yeah, if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the video, you guys. You can see, you guys, I already have a guideline on how short this skirt is going to be because this part is already ripped. So I'll just go ahead and use my scissors and cut it from that length. So yeah, that is how short this skirt is going to be. It is not my fault because that part is already ripped, so I'm just going to follow it up. So after cutting, this is what we have. Assuming I was making a short, this is a short already, yeah, but I'm making a skirt, so I'll go ahead now and use my seam ripper and then rip that part up. That's where the crotch point is seated. That is where the crotch point is seated. So I'll go ahead and use my seam ripper and rip that part off. Yeah, so if you're doing this with me and you don't have a seam ripper, you can use a razor for this job. Just make sure you have something to open up the crotch point, and then after opening up the crotch point, also on the legs, you just open it up too. You can use a scissors, you can use your seam ripper, you can use a razor. Yeah, so just whatever will help you get the job done. Baby, you're my lullaby, you're my daylight. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you. Once I am done ripping out the crotch part, this is the result we have. Yeah, so now we have a skirt, but it's unfinished because there are some parts we need to close up on the front and on the back side, like the base of the skirt. So I'll go ahead now and take this to my machine and close those parts up. Yeah, I'll be lapping them on each other. That's on the crotch parts. I'll be lapping them on each other. I'll be sewing on top, yeah, following the line from the zip part, and then on the back side the same thing. I'll just be lapping them on each other, and then I'll close it up, you guys. Once that is done, this is how it looks. Yeah, I noticed that this back side is longer than the front side, so I'll just quickly use my ruler and then, you know, trim this out and make sure they are both the same length. The front and the back, they have to be the same length. So yeah, after doing that, after closing up that part on the crotch, yeah, this is how it looks. It is almost ready. The only thing left now is for me to trim out those the parts we just finished closing up. I'm just going to go ahead and trim it out, and then I'll be adding some flowers to this skirt. You can go ahead and wear your skirt like this if you want it to be plain, but me, no, I don't want it to be plain. I don't want to. Okay, so this is what I'll be using to design my skirt. This is an applique I got for 300 naira. That's if you're in Nigeria, Abuja, from the market. I got it for 300 naira, and that is less than $1. Yeah, so I'll use this. I'll be using this to design my skirt. So I'll go ahead now and place them where I want them to be on the skirt, because it already has a glue on it. So I'll just place them on my where I want them to be on my skirt, and then I'll apply some heat on it, and that is it, you guys. The skirt is ready for me to wear. Hope you guys really enjoy watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't leave without giving the video a thumbs up. And if you're watching me for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and while you're subscribing, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you be coming back to this place and you're not subscribed, why not do that right now? Since you're here watching me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, you can also comment on the comment section below, letting me know if you like this video and what you want to see me do more often on this channel. I want to see your comments. Very much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I really do appreciate it. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Please be safe. Please isolate yourself to prevent the spread of coronavirus. I love you guys so much. Kisses. Bye.